Do you like space?
I mean, like, really like space.
Because if you want to work at the heart of the EU space program, we might have the perfect mission for you.
I did the
No, that's okay.
We are the operational heart of the EU space program. While others build rockets, we manage the services that people rely on every day.
I need to think about. Oh no, I have to do it spontaneously, right? Okay.
EUSPA felt like the right place to actually combine space policy and real user-focused applications.
Okay, so my motivation to apply for EUSPA traineeship was fueled by my interest in the space sector.
There is space for everyone at EUSPA. Personally, I started my traineeship after getting my bachelor degree in sociology.
I had the chance to work on various events, which gave me opportunity to collaborate with other colleagues from different departments. So it's really good to see that as a trainee you have a tangible impact in the agency's activities.
Project that I love the most is actually top secret. I'm sorry because I signed an NDA, so this is all you're gonna get.
So I have to say that working for a new agency is amazing because it makes you realize that the work that you do every day behind the computer has an actual impact on the European Union and on the community.
I'm obsessed with you. Yeah. What I like the most about working in a EU agency is that every day I get the chance to collaborate with people with different backgrounds and coming from all over the European Union.
Prague is an amazing city to live in. Really nice culture, historical building, amazing nightlife. Prague really has it all.
This year's Traineeship Call is unique as it offers placement at all sites of EUSPA.
Hence, your EUSPA traineeship can take you anywhere from Madrid, Toulouse, Paris, Noordwijk, and Prague.
I expected a standard office job, but when I got here, what I found was a large international group that's driven by a positive mindset and always ready to teach you something new every day.
My traineeship has exceeded my expectations in every way. I work across multiple departments, and with the member states representatives, it was always the same mindset, whether I was working with staff, with contractors, or with the trainees.
Even though you are still enrolled at the university or are not ready straight away, just apply because the process takes time and by the time that it ends, you might be ready to start.
Recording, noise, silence on set, and action.
Am I gonna be like looking ugly in this or not?
If I have to pick